I'm Aditya Gavli. I'm from India. I chose Vera Clinic for multiple reasons, but before that, I was facing some hair fall issues that I had, and I did my research, and Turkey was one of the best places, as everyone knows. While doing so, I did my research and saw some reviews of people on Vera Clinic's website and the information that was shared online. And when I approached Vera Clinic about my hair transplant, the team was very quick to understand my situation, what was needed. They told me approximately what the procedure will be, and we decided on a timeline. So the process was pretty smooth, where the team reached out to me, they understood my problem, they gave me a solution, what could be a potential solution for me. And that seemed very satisfactory in terms of understanding what was needed in order to find the right solution, right? So Vera Clinic was really good at that point. The team was pretty active to understand my concerns, and they did understand the concerns. Like I said, the problems were pretty different on the pictures, but when they saw me in the photo, they told me how many grafts I needed, what procedure will I take, what technology is going to be used. So that really helped me give confidence in the procedure of the team and the members of the team, right? Yeah, on the first day I was nervous because I never had a hair transplant surgery. But as soon as I came to the clinic, the team helped me understood what how you're going to go with the technology and the procedure, what surgical methods are going to be used with the shaving of head and everything. But it was pretty nice. The team gave me the confidence that what they're going to do is with precision and confidence, and they had expertise, people with experience doing this. I was pretty confident on the day of my surgery. The clinic is pretty clean, pretty hygiene. Everything is taken care of. Like, for example, like, we cannot enter the clinic without putting a plastic on our shoes. Like, also that's one of the good things, right? And it is pretty clean, like, it's pretty neat. I was surprised. Also, I was expecting that because Vera Clinic itself has a big name, and having this kind of surgical processes in the surgical room and other areas of the clinic, it is pretty neat and clean, and I would give it a good rating, I would say. From the beginning, yes, the professionalism from the staff was pretty good. Like I said, like, the team was always there to understand my problem, my concerns. Even during the surgical process, they were telling me, the translator was always there to make sure what the team is doing, what our process is going on. They asked me if I'm okay or not, if I wanted to break, which I'd keep getting. There was some point where I was not uncomfortable, but the team made sure that I was comfortable by giving me some water and making me relax in the situation. So I appreciate that. Yes, in that case, the team gave me pretty set of instructions, not only post-operation, but also pre-transplant, where they told me what are the things that I should supposed to be following, and why I should follow that. It is very important to understand why. And post-hair transplant, the teams were pretty clear to me as to how I should be taking care of myself when I'm on my own, with the medicines I have, which is the shampoos and the lotions. They helped me with the videos and also demonstrated in the clinic itself, which was great. I understood pretty well as to what are the instructions that I have to follow, right, in the coming few days. I did have a lot of concerns and questions because the medical therapy I was using before, well, it's not really valid anymore because of the hair transplant. But the team would help me understand what medical substances or medicines I need to use after the hair transplant. They explained it to me in the package, also the medicines that they give you, as to what you should supposed to be putting, what not, how do you put it. The communication was super good. The team communicated it to me very well, I would say, and I'm pretty happy with the communication, and at least all the instructions are clear to me.